I'll show you which is better, Hailuo or Sora by OpenAI. And you can see on Hailuo AI, this is a couple of the AI video that it generates. You can see these are the couple of examples. You can see pretty good, pretty standard for AI generated content. It looks like this. You can click on quick create here to quick create something, but you can also subscribe here. You can see, but if you want to subscribe, you do need to, of course, log in, right? Now let's take a look at Sora next. Now you can see on Sora, it does look like this. You can open, for example, if the prompt is open large stores into the library, and this is what it will look like, right? And you can see this is a couple of the other images generated by Sora AI. Now you can see it actually moves as well, right? Because Sora is a video engine, right? It's something that to generate videos. You can see it's some pretty incredible stuff here, right? But I remember that Sora AI does have pretty hefty pricing, right? But of course, the images is moving and things like this aren't easy to make. It needs a lot of computing power. So of course, it'll be a little bit pricey. So when you remember that, of course, it's either Hailuo AI here. You can see it also moves like this. It also moves like this. It also moves like this. Now, depending on the video you see here, you can see on Hailuo, it has a lot more fantasy stuff, right? It has more anime. It has more devil, death, things like this. Meanwhile, Sora is much more focused on surrealist scenes here. It looks like it's something that could happen in real life if we live in an alternate universe, it seems. So keep in mind that to make sure that you pick the right one depending on what you need. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.